Hello everyone. In the previous video we had completed our chapter and today we are going to solve the back exercise of it. Okay, so let's begin. First of all we have tick the correct answer. So let's begin. The first one we have long ago when humans lived in caves they wore clothes made of what? So here options are there: cotton, silk, animal skin and wool. So animal skin is the right answer because they were not developed enough, so that is why they used animal skin to wrap around them. And the second we have clothes do not protect us from heat, cold, thieves and dirt. So they protect us from heat, cold and dirt also, but not from the thieves. Okay, so thieves is the right answers. Next one we have a patient's clothes should be dash. What patient's clothes should be? So here options are there: ironed, mended, disinfected and wetted. So disinfected, because in patient's clothes so many germs are there, so we need to disinfect these. Okay, so disinfected is the right answer. The fourth and last we have to keep insects away. These are kept between the folds of woolen clothes. So what are the things that we use to put in the woolen clothes, in the folds of the woolen clothes? So mothballs, sand, perfume, toffees. Okay, sand we cannot put, even perfume and toffees also we cannot do that, and the right answer is mothballs. Clear? So the next part we have write T for true or F for false. Natural fibers are waterproof and germ free. No, it's wrong. So F will come. We should wear wet socks and tight shoes. Really? Do we need to do? No, it's wrong. So false will come. A raincoat protects us from getting wet in the rain. Yes, that is why we wear raincoat in the rain. So the fourth one we have light colored clothes make us feel hot. Is it true? No, it's wrong, because if we take an example of summer clothes, they are mostly light in color, right? And they just reflect the heat back. So that is why we feel cool. Clear? So its answer is false. Next we have the national dress of Indian women is sari. Yes, so Indian women they wear sari. So students, next we have some question answers, only short questions we will do today, and in the next video we will discuss about the longer question answers of it. Okay, so the first one we have here some questions are there, so check these first. The first question we have, what are natural fibers? So we know very well the word natural, that means that is the thing which we derive from nature. Clear? So natural fibers are the these are the fibers that we get from the different parts of the plants or animals. Okay, so let's write natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. Here examples also you will write: wool, silk and cotton. Clear? Our next question is write the names of two man-made fabrics. Okay, so man-made like synthetic fibers. So here is our answer: rayon and nylon are the two man-made fabrics. Anyone you can write. Okay, so here we are taking only rayon and nylon. Clear? And the next third question we have, write the names of two countries and their national dresses. Okay, so two countries name you'll need to write and the national dress of the same, right? So here first country is India, and India's national dress is sari. And Japan is the next country, and its national dress can be kimono, right? Fourth question we have, why do we wear socks and shoes? So these are also a necessary part of our dressing sense, right? We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from heat, cold, dust, germs and worms. Okay, so that is why we wear, because shoes help us to prevent away the germs, dirt, cold and even worms. The fifth and the last question we have, name two things used to protect woolen clothes from insects. So like when we store our clothes, we put some mothballs and some dried neem leaves to protect our clothes from the insects. Okay, so here is our answer. Mothballs and dried neem leaves are the things used to protect woolen clothes from insects. So students, this was all about today's session, and the next we will continue with our long answer type questions. Okay, until that you need to practice all these back exercise and these questions.